A river 10 meters deep and 7.8 meters wide is flowing at the rate of 4.8 kilometers per hour. How much of water per second flows out from the vessel? Fine. So, like a rectangular interface. The river is 10 meters deep, 7.8 meters wide. How much water per second? In a second, something will come out. How much comes out? It's nothing but volume of this shape, whatever comes out. So how much comes out in 1 second is what we need to calculate. It's flowing at the rate of 4.8 kilometers per hour. We have to calculate it on a per second basis. The answer is in terms of meters. First we'll say 4.8 kilometers per hour is 4,800 meters per hour. 4.8 into 1000. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 minute is 60 seconds. 1 hour is 60 into 60 seconds. Or in this 4,800 kilometers meters per hour, that is nothing but 4,800 meters per 3,600 seconds. Just 24 by 18, just 12 by 9, just 4 by 3. This is nothing but 4 by 3 meters per second. Or in 1 second, it will flow out by 4 by 3 meters. So how much water per second flows out? That is the volume of this cuboid, which is nothing but 10 into 7.8 into 4 by 3 meter cube. Convert this into meters, convert this into seconds, get that value, multiply the volume of that cuboid, the answer we are looking to find. 78 into 4 by 3, 26 into 4, which is 4, 2, which is 104 meter cube, just this answer.